Kelechi, what do you think about Sea View Estates so far?
You don't need to be told now. This is heaven. This is heaven. Look at the environment.
Nature gives you.
This is lovely.
So lovely. I love it so much.
I've always dreamt to live by the sea, by the water. But I know we Africans, when it's close to water, everybody is scared. What if the water does this? What if the water does that? But I love this environment.
Wow.
And I won't mind having homes around here.
Wow.
Have my kids here.
And I'm not hesitating.
The best, and then train them to loving nature.
Wow.
Nature is right.
Wow. Thank you so much for this.
You're welcome.
Wow. Thank you.
I was so buying it.
Yes, that's what I want to hear.
I was so buying it.
Yeah.
I'm not having like an escape.
I swear.
So beautiful.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate this.
This is priceless.
It's priceless.
Just show them around.
So
Look, just take a look.
you can see the beautiful view.
And the villagers are so welcoming.
Beautiful.
Yes.
So welcoming.
They are so welcoming. So I know that they won't. With time, they'll be out of here.
And of course, you're my darling.
I'll
You're
tell
my
you.
darling.
Oh, thank you.
With time, they'll be out of here.
Thank you. Thank you so much for this. It's good to hear you talk about this, you know. Thank you. Every day you come here, you see people coming to see every day. At least this week I've been here 3 times and each time I come, you still see people coming. So, yeah. So hurry up. Don't just watch this video. Be a doer. Act before it gets sold out. Thank you.
Sold out.
Team sold out. Before you hear sold out. Team buy all. I love that. Oh my goodness. These are one of my best clients of the week.
No,
I'm telling you.
If I had the money, I'll buy everything.
I swear.
I know I'll sell
Don't worry, money is coming. You buy everything.
Yes, sir.
Have it.
But I'll
Yeah.
pick the ones I can pick up now.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow.
Thank you so much. Yeah. So act fast and have a very lovely day. Bye.